one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. So often we can be carrying a quiet pressure inside. The pressure of wanting to get it right, wanting to make the right choice, to take the right step, to hear the Lord clearly and not to miss what He's doing. That kind of pressure can sit heavily upon your heart. But the Lord is not leading you by fear. He is leading you by peace. He knows how to guide you, and He will lead you in His peace. He will lead you in His way. For the Lord says, I am walking with you. Hand in hand and step by step, I walk with you. Do not be afraid, but draw close, draw near to my heart, receiving my grace and my strength for this day, knowing that I am the Lord who is there by your side. I'm bringing you into a place of refreshment, of renewal, of peace, a place of being made whole and new. For that is my desire for you, that you are made whole and new. You live in the fullness of life which I have won for you. Don't allow fear to steal from you. Don't allow fear or doubt to hold you back, but trust that I am the Lord who is walking with you through the circumstances of life, the Lord who is giving you my grace and strength each new day. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.